I think it was long ago when I was reading a book in a university library where I found the book was actually by Lynn and Lynn is an English author, journalist, novelist, and radio broadcaster. She wrote her famous book that made her so popular was the name of the book was Eats, Shoots, and Leaves: The Zero Tolerance Approach to Punctuation, basically. And the book humorously addresses common punctuation errors, including those often made by non native speakers. So, in this book, the writer actually also discussed the excessive use of the possessive S by non native English speakers. And this was long ago when I read this, and today just I recalled it and thought that I should make this video for you because one of my IGCSE English as a second language student just appeared, and when I was checking actually his work, he actually answered few questions in reading comprehension. I will share it with you at the end of this video, that answer as well, leaving to you to find the answers and to discuss that what was right or wrong in that and what should be added and where s should not be added. So, excessive use of S students do make when they don't know actually that why they are using this S. So here are five types of S that we use in English. There can be other as well, but these are most common at O level or IGCSE studies for the students. So the first S that we use to make the plural of a word. So we have month and months, boy and boys. Especially the mistake is where to use S with apostrophe and where not to use with apostrophe, rather without it. So in this first type of S, you should not add apostrophe and only use S. Then comes second type of S that is used in present simple or present indefinite tense, like the plant grows, he eats mangoes, the boy delivers a speech. So this type of S we use with singular noun as a subject or when there is third person singular pronoun in the subject of a sentence in present simple or present indefinite tense. So third type of S is that we use for possession, like the boy's cat, boy's books. So in this case, keep it in your mind when there is a singular word without C or Z sound at the end, we use apostrophe S. But if there is already a C or Z sound like that, then we don't add apostrophe s, we only use apostrophe like boys. So if we use double s here, it will be difficult to pronounce. So boys books, we only use apostrophe without using an additional s for possession. The fourth form of s we use for contractions, to show contractions when we omit a single letter or letters. For example, it's my mobile phone. Now here it is, the actual sentence was it is my mobile phone. The omission of I caused the use of apostrophe here. So it's my mobile phone means it is my mobile phone. So this S that is used to show the omission of letter is used with apostrophe S. You also need to add apostrophe. Now the fourth form is the possessive case of it pronoun. This is very common mistake in using its. In speaking they are both same. It's my mobile phone. Its color is so beautiful, but they both represent different things. The one it's with apostrophe s is the short form of it is or contracted form of it is. But it's without apostrophe just as it is the possessive case of pronoun it. Like its color is so beautiful to show the possession of something that is being presented by the use of pronoun it. Its color is so beautiful, its its functions are so nice, like its size is so huge. So it's like you, your, he, his. I, my, we, our, like that. The possessive case of it is its. So now, in to make the plural of nouns, we use s without apostrophe. In present simple tense too, we s without apostrophe, but for possession, we use apostrophe s. And in contractions, we use also apostrophe s. But in the possessive case of it, we don't use apostrophe s. Some students get confused when they say it is contracted form with apostrophe s, considering it the possessive case of it by applying the rule of how we make the possessive case of a noun like John's mobile phone, Ali's house, like that. So apostrophe s we use to make possessive case of noun, not this is not the rule for pronouns. So the possessive case of it is with its using s but without apostrophe. Now here is the answer of my student that caused me to add this short video for all of you students who are preparing for their O level or IGCSE English exam. So now it's for you. You have to you can add your answers in the comment section. That there is use of s at various places like the part above, and grows about only up to 2 centimeters. So grows, here is apostrophe. Is it correct or not? If it's correct, then describe its reason. If it's not, even then you have to give the reason. Being patient because the plant grows incredibly slowly. So apostrophe is correct or not? The plant's flower apostrophe here, produces apostrophe here, seed which can survive for months underground apostrophe s here. So you have to see whether which s is correct and which is not. Also add reason for your answer. Thanks for watching. Hopefully with the next video we will be back again.